Well, this is Great Staple Tor, 455 metres. Bit of a difficult climb up that. Obviously you've got the fog and visibility issues now. Not sure if there's anyone else here, to be honest with you. I'll have a look around. Nearly the shortest night of the year, so we're approaching Christmas, and so yeah, 16 hours of darkness, so we're not far off it getting dark now anyway. But yeah, safely here, tent up. I'm going to get myself warm, maybe get a hot chocolate on the go, and then have a look around, see what's here. So, Great Staple Tor. I've been wanting to come here for... can't really see anything now. I've been wanting to come here for a while. I didn't realise it'd be quite this sort of foggy or windy, or, you know, such a difficult climb up, to be honest with you. But yeah, absolutely wonderful, absolutely wonderful. And hopefully in the morning all this fog will go. Right, let's have a look what I've got tonight to eat. I mean, I'm not going to show you myself eating. If you really want to see someone eating in a ditch, then follow Tweedy Outdoors, absolutely fantastic channel. So I have tonight, my main meal will be the real termat, tikka masala again, absolutely love that. Got some water along the bottom and a hobgoblin gold as well, and of course various diet cokes and stuff. So yeah, that's me tonight. I've also got some corned beef and some gluten-free buns for the morning. I don't think I'm gluten intolerant, but they look good. So that's for the morning. And I do, just as a backup, I have some noodles and a pork pie as well, but I probably won't eat those. So yeah, that's my setup for tonight. There is the abyss. Maybe I should have pitched a tent here. There's no wind at all. Up there, there's a lot. That's quite impressive. I'm underneath this rock formation opposite where the tent is. You can see the rocks behind me just there. The tent is just there. So here, again, it's quite sheltered, whereas up there the tent's blowing around a lot. But more importantly, down here there's lots and lots of horse poo. And I've seen lots of videos of horses coming up here in the middle of the night. So where I am up there, I don't think horses can get to. So I think I've probably chosen the right spot. The Abisko Lite one is a very capable tent, even though it flaps around a bit. So I'm fully confident. But I think I'll have another 5 minutes of looking around, and then I'm going to go back in there and warm up and get a hot chocolate. Down at the next one now, there's a little cave there, look. That's the one we've just come from, and then just in the distance there to the left is where the tent is. What a place. Look at this place. No panic at all, but I've gone right round the door, and I've just momentarily lost the tent. What am I like, eh? Okay, I've got water on the go for the hot chocolate now. Tell you what, that wind out there is really quite savage up here still. And tent's very flappy, but it's absolutely solid as a rock. It's absolutely fine. But yeah, I really need this hot chocolate. The wind chill is actually really quite cold. I mean, it's probably about 8 degrees above zero at the moment. But I think with the wind chill, you're looking at probably 1 or 2. So yeah, it's not very nice out there, to be honest with you. And I know it's going to be a long night in here, but I'd rather be in here, to be honest with you. Right, let's get this hot chocolate finished. Ah, here we go. Cadbury's hot chocolate, no less. No less. I was going to bring my other tent tonight. I've got a Jack Wolfskin Gossamer 2. It's a lot bigger than this tent. It's nice, but I was just thinking, you know, I don't fully trust the forecasts, and you've got to sort of plan for the worst, really. So although this is a bit of a tight fit in here, I know that this tent is going nowhere tonight. Maybe, you know, in the summer I'll take a tent up here that's, you know, got a mesh inner and a lot more room, but I think I made the right choice tonight. Anyway, here we go. Cheers. Ah, oh, so good, so good. So we look inside the tent. So I've got my Quasar sleeping bag, my X-bed mattress in there. Very cosy. These are the main anchor guy lines. I've got 9-inch pegs, and they're all doubled up with 6-inch pegs as well. So although it flaps around, this tent is going nowhere. Adjusted this one, so I've moved it sort of that way a little bit so that it's pulling this corner a bit better, slightly less flapping around. I've done that thing now where I got the door halfway down just to shelter from the wind, but still let the air go through. Great feature, actually. So on these long winter nights, it's good to be busy, so keeping the tent in order, keeping everything neat and tidy, I think it's a good practice to do. It's definitely time for something to eat. Just a little snack. One of my corned beef sandwiches. Okay, assuming you can hear me. Not feeling that hungry tonight, I'll be honest with you, but I've got some water on the go now for the real Termat meal. Those are really lovely. I just had a couple of really big gusts of wind that really hit the tent quite hard, so it's died down a bit since then. So I'm going to have this meal, crack open a can. In fact, I will do that now. Cheers. Oh, goblin gold. Then it's a case of going out one final guy line check, check that all the 9-inch pegs are fully in and that the 6-inch pegs are holding tight as well, and then just do all the guy lines. It's going to be a difficult night, I think, to sleep. I've got some earplugs. The Met Office says that the winds are going to carry on through the night into the morning, although the morning will be slightly less. It's definitely gusts of around, I'd say, the mid-30s I've had up here. The tent's holding fine, but it's just very, very flappy. So anyway, I think I'm probably going to take you to the morning now. I think I will just have a meal, settle down, watch some YouTube, probably watch a little bit of Film and Dave, a little bit of Lindless 360, I think, and maybe one or two of the Dartmoor based campers as well, just to see if I get some sleep. It's currently just getting on for 8 o'clock. The sun doesn't come up till 8 o'clock, and then I'll be packing up and going, and we'll have a look, see what the morning's like. You never know, maybe it'll be beautiful sunrise, beautifully, it's not going to, is it? It's not. Good morning. That was a really pleasant sleep. Had nearly 10 hours of sleep, a little bit interrupted here and there, but the wind has died down a lot. It's still pretty horrible outside, but yes, good morning. My hard work has paid off. I've got my views. I can see a 360 degree all the way around from up here, and I've got a sunrise, kind of. Down there is Tavistock, I believe. And there's the two main columns of this tour. Working round to the north, Roos Tor, the absolutely incredible Great Mis Tor, with the fog blowing away from it. The views from up there this morning will be amazing. I wonder if there's anyone up there. Princetown over that way, tent down there, and then Middle Staple Tor down there, and in the distance I can just see the sea at Plymouth. Right, well, the cloud's back. I'm going to mill around for a bit, have another coffee, and then I'm going to strike camp.